Hello. Stefan here. Week 1, Ideal Avatar, Day 2, Reflections. Make a list of everything you have accomplished and are proud of over the last 6 to 12 months in our 4 main areas: health, wealth, relationship and business. So, homework done for me. There's no filming outside today because the weather is pretty bad, but I work on a computer anyway, so no skin off my nose. Now I'm back to my other daily tasks that come with working online. It's checking emails, checking up of my online store, see what problems COVID-19 created today in shipping. I'm responding to comments on Facebook and YouTube, checking in with some groups and adding some comments myself. I have a couple of Zoom meetings later on, and I'm going to watch some educational stuff. If you like to follow me, all the links are above, and I'll see you tomorrow.